Okay, this is going to be a quickie lesson about the print and println methods, which are part of the system.out class. We've been using these in the past couple of projects, but let's go into it a little bit more. As you can see, I have a string variable s. I assign a value to the string variable, and then I print it out using the println method. Then I assign a new string, goodbye world, and I print that out using the println. I've got some leftover characters in here from my previous demo, and I'm going to get rid of them because we don't really need them for this demo. You remember how the escape characters work anyway, right? I hope. Okay, so we've got hello world, goodbye world. What happens when I run this? Current document is out of sync with the interactions. We need to recompile. I forgot the step of recompiling. Always remember to recompile. Okay, compilation complete, and we're going to run it. Okay, so what did the println do? It printed out the string, and then it went to the beginning of the next line, and then it printed out the next string. What if we had just used print instead of println? What would happen then? Well, let's compile it and run it. Now what happened is it printed out hello world, but it did not take us to the next line. So the next print statement starts where the previous one left off. And if you do this, it will just continue to go across and wrap around. So the only purpose of the ln is to make it go to the next line in the output. So let's do that again. I'm going to compile it, and I'm going to run it. Now, here's a little trick. I'm going to use the print command here, and if we do that, we know that it's going to come out on the same line, right? But remember the escape character for new line? Let's watch this. System out print /n. What happens now? So now it's the same as when we used the println method up here. Essentially, the println method appends a new line character to whatever it's printing out, and the new line character makes it go to the next line. If we didn't have the println function, we'd constantly have to be printing out new line characters to go to the new line. But we don't need to do that because we have println. So that's that little lesson.